right, part two. It's my time to get loaded now, so here we go. I got this, man. You know? Right where the yellow line is, that's the center. So, yeah, I'm getting 3 of those. So I guess he's gonna set it up first. Then we're gonna go for it. So they said it's suicide coils, so it's not really. Oh, I gotta lock this. It's moving too much. Let me get down because they say you gotta lock these stairs. So for those that don't know, this is the real suicide look, like this. And you know, guys haul it like that, and that's when you got to put the chains. But this is actually, it's going to be like eyes to the sky, so to speak. So you seen one man earlier, he's still over there doing his thing. Eyes to the sky, I mean that eye in the middle. See that eye in the middle? It's going to be standing up, not able to roll. So that is considered eye to the sky. There's shotgun, and then there's suicide. So this one is the suicide. This is the one that if you hit the brakes too hard, it can roll inside the cab. Yeah. Right here. The yellow line. Gotta let him know this is the center of our trailer. So he's gonna put the light one in the middle, the 2 heavy ones on each end. A touch. Well, oh, I gotta move. Okay. So for safety reasons, obviously, I gotta move. Okay, back. He wants me at the back. Nowhere near it. I love it. I love the safety aspect of it. You know, they make you wear your hard hat. They make you wear your vest, your goggles. It's serious, man. This stuff is heavy. Watch the truck go down. The light one. Y'all up for a second. I gotta see something. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the heavy guy right here. It's total about 43,000 pounds. I'm gonna ask them what they use to make this. What they use this for. What do they produce with these coils? Watch how the truck go down. Watch the weight of the truck go down. Watch how heavy this thing is. This has a bend in it. If you can look at the truck, it has a certain kind of bend in it. You want me to come around? I'm getting one more. I'm going to Oklahoma City. It's about 16 hours away from here. 2 days. Because the clock you have to run, you have to obviously only have 11 hours a day. And I only have about, you can say 4 hours to drive today. Tomorrow I'll get up and probably do about 10. And then finish it up Monday. It's due for Monday. It is actually Saturday, so it'll be all good. Weekend load. Load turned out pretty good. DM is giving me some loads, just keeping me moving. I'm learning how to use my recaps, so it's a little tough. It's like pretty much 7 days a week, but yeah. The other one right there. So gotta kind of give him some. Check out the truck, y'all. Watch how the truck bend. Alright, so you seen how it's done. You're going to see when it's strapped up. Alright, talk to you later.